In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can add and set up Roblox Authenticator in Roblox. Now before I get into this video, I want to say please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure that you don't get anything wrong and that it works well. Now with that being said, please like, subscribe, and let's get right into this video. So the first thing we need to do, of course, is make sure we have Roblox installed and all that good stuff. From here, I'm going to close Roblox and open up Chrome. Now you can open up any kind of browser, but I'm going to use Chrome and I'll see you there. So now you can see I have opened up Roblox on the browser. It's roblox.com is the URL, and I've signed into my account here. You can see EasyL tutorials. I'm signed in here like this. Now from here I want to go to this little cog setting here, click it and go to settings. So from settings we want to go down to security, and here's where we can add our extra layer. So it says add an extra layer of protection to your account with two-step verification at login, account recovery, and high value transactions. You can only enable one of the following options at a time. Important, don't share your codes with anyone. This can include things like texting, screenshotting, etc. So the one we're going to want to do for the 2FA or the Authenticator app is this one here. We're going to turn it on. So first what it's going to do is going to get us to put in our password, and I'm going to do that now. And it's going to generate you a URL or a Authenticator code here. So it's like a little QR code that you can scan on your phone. So I'm going to open up my Authenticator, which is Google Authenticator. You can use a different one on your phone, but I just find that's the best one. And we're going to press add and add a new one. So I've clicked add here, and I'm going to click scan QR code. So now I'm going to scan the QR code here, and it's actually added it to my Authenticator. From here it's giving me a code, and I'm going to put that in the bottom to verify it. Okay, once you've verified the app, it's going to give you some Authenticator codes or some recovery codes just in case you do forget your one-time passwords, or you get logged out or whatever. You want to download those, keep them secure just in case. And that's basically everything that you need to do for it. Now every time you log in, you're going to have to use the app to log in. This is a bit long, but it's also good if you want to keep your account secure. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped.